Safety and people are really the core values of our company.
The integrity of everybody that works here is superior to any other place that I've worked at. And that starts at the top and it filters down through, and it really shows in everything that we do.
We really strive to make sure that we are doing everything right the first time. A lot of our values are centered around that safety component.
We just try to really ingrain the safety culture into everybody that we have coming through. That way, whenever they go from the training center out to the field, they know what to expect and they know the things that they should be looking for.
We're able to provide our customers with multi-crafted craftsmen that are highly skilled in multiple areas to increase their profitability margin, while at the same time providing training and skills to employees to allow them multi-crafts to avoid layoffs and slowdowns for the betterment of their families.
I've never worked at a company that cares as much as they do about building their business around who they hire instead of what they can get.
From professional development to craft training to leadership development, just want to make the whole company a better team.
We bring in young people that are new to the industry. We ask them to just do a few things, have a willingness to learn, don't do drugs, and make it to work every day, and we'll show them a career path.
Everyone is willing to teach, and if you're willing to learn, then this is the place for you.
Because we're offering an education while you work. These people can come in here, and as long as they're willing to work and they're ready to work, like, we can provide them with the education and we can help bring them up through the crafts and teach them the skills and the safety that they need to be successful. And as long as there's interest, there's jobs.
They took me in with no experience and trained me up to what I am today. And now, since I have a good paying job, my wife and I are able to start trying for a family, which is amazing for us because we've been talking about having children for the past 5 years. I've been stuck at low-paying jobs, and Manhattan Mechanical, gave us that opportunity to start.
You don't have to choose between a career and your family, that they can completely coincide. We have a close-knit team environment that really is unmatched.
They treat everyone with the same gratitude and appreciation. Every day starts with a "Hey, good morning, how are you doing" type deal, which just makes you feel more like a family versus just another number to a company.
The way we look out for our employees, the benefits we offer, the training that they'll receive, the compensation, it all works hand in hand. There is absolutely no better place in town to work than Manhattan Mechanical Services.